Raju wanted to do the COVID-19 test at home. He searched on the internet for diagnostic centers that provide home testing facilities.
Hello, I want to book a COVID-19 test.
Welcome to ABC Diagnostics. Please provide your address for sample collection.
My address is 25, ABC Lane, Mumbai, Maharashtra. What will be the cost for the test?
It will cost 1000 rupees plus home collection charge of 100 rupees. Also, you must pay 550 rupees in advance for pre-booking. I will share the payment link for pre-booking with you.
As it was urgent for Raju to get tested, he agreed to pay the advance amount. He paid the said amount using his debit card on the link provided. Thereafter, the person disconnected the call and switched off his number. Raju got tensed and he searched the helpline number on the ABC Diagnostics site but couldn't find it. Raju eventually realized he was defrauded.
Do not make a payment in advance when you are doubtful. If anybody asks for an advance payment, it is a matter of caution. And one should go ahead with those transactions with request precaution. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.